Once upon a time, in a world much like our own, a peculiar individual was born. He was dubbed the Mirror Face Guy, for his face was as smooth as a mirror, reflecting the emotions of those around him. His name was Echo, and he possessed an extraordinary gift, the ability to absorb and reflect the happiness or harsh realities of those he encountered. Whenever someone near him experienced joy, Echo's mirror-like face would radiate a warm, golden light, amplifying their happiness. Conversely, when someone faced sorrow or hardship, his face would darken, absorbing their pain and reflecting a somber, empathetic understanding. As Echo navigated the world, he discovered the weight of his power. He could either spread joy and hope or confront the harsh realities of life. With each encounter, he faced a choice to reflect the beauty of happiness or the complexity of truth. One day, a young girl approached him, her eyes brimming with tears. Echo's face darkened, absorbing her sorrow, and he shared her burden. Together, they confronted the harsh reality of her struggles, and Echo's empathetic reflection helped her find the strength to face her challenges. Another day, a group of friends laughed and joked, their happiness infectious. Echo's face shone bright, amplifying their joy, and they celebrated life's beauty together. Echo's journey taught him the value of balance and compassion. He learned to wield his power wisely, reflecting both happiness and harsh realities, helping others confront and overcome their struggles, and amplifying the joy that connected them all. And so, the Mirror Face Guy, Echo, became a beacon of hope and understanding, his face a constant reminder of the power of empathy and the beauty of shared human experience.